So now if you log into your block accounts, see zero social. This is 4K engage plus extra. So let me show you someone. So this is actually one person. As you can see, it is 65K social and 3K engage plus extra. See this person, 7K social. So they are actually participating in the social task. So I want us to do the same thing as well. Log into your block, tap on open X. So once it's direct you, this is their official account or page. Let me put it that way. See, come here and like everything. They pay on Monday every day. Like, you have to engage. Like every single post on their page to get more points. So once you like everything, you can do this. Repost everything to get more points. Aside that, you can engage with people who mention them as well. Tap on these replies. Let's see. Or mention. We should have mentions here. Okay, there is no mention. Replies. Okay, I already reposted. Tap on comment. Add a comment. You see the comment of people. They are actually doing it for the points. Even this post says engaging with this official tweet will grant you social points, all other reason, blah blah blah. So see people's comments. Make sure you do the same. And they are tagging the blog. Make sure you do the same. And one more thing, you can like all these people. See, they have likes, not because of any other thing. It's because of the point. You can even comment on their comments, like you reply. So this way you are going to get more points. And once they start swapping, like we can now swap, the higher the points, the higher the distance you are going to make. So this is what I will do now. For this is 7:50 till 11. I'll try as much as possible. So by next Monday, I'm going to have more points. And if you want to post, do it in this format. Let me show you. If you want to post, come here, come to your page, tap on this icon here. So you can just post anything, like the one of the guy I showed you. Let me check it again. So you are going to do something similar. As you can see, it tagged blog. So you are going to make sure you tag them. I always love to do this. Fire blog art. Is it $blog games? Tap on it. Art. They put it here actually. Tag $blog and at blog games. Or okay, this is at $blog. So you create post, you ask people to engage. So everyone who, if you are just doing this, always drop your link on the discussion group, your Twitter post link. So we are going to like and engage for everyone. My network is bad actually. It should show block. So you are going to tag them and you will post. Now make sure you start doing this as from now. Start doing this immediately.